Hey, my name is Mason, and this is a quick guide to upgrading your drop control aluminum case. For this, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a keycap puller, a small pry bar, and a switch puller. Next, let's unplug our keyboard and start getting those keycaps off. Once that's done, let's start removing our switches, firmly grasping the top and bottom and pulling straight up. For stabilizers, depress the clip on the back and pull up with your fingernail. Now we can flip the board over and start removing the 8 screws on the back. Remove the back of the case, followed by the 4 metallic tabs, and, if applicable, the diffuser. Lean the case top and PCB forward, allowing the PCB to be pulled out at an angle. With disassembly complete, let's see what comes in the box. First, remove the top and bottom case. Then, look underneath to find color-matched magnetic feet, 8 hex head screws, and an Allen wrench, and a card with a link to this guide. Let's take a second to admire the gorgeous deep purple of this case. Then, we can flip the top over and start reassembly. Slide the PCB into its new home at an angle, ensuring that the KL hot swap sockets are facing up. Now we can align and press fit our diffuser into place. Replace the metal strips into their corresponding depressions, and remembering which side has our USB sockets, place the back with the drop logo at the bottom. Next, retrieve your hex screws and corresponding Allen wrench. Place the screws in their appropriate holes, advancing them just enough until you feel the lightest bit of resistance. Using a crisscross pattern to avoid binding, tighten the screws down a little bit more until they are snug. We can now put our stabilizers back in, putting the wire between the PCB and the top of the case, and hooking the top prongs on the top side of the case. From there, carefully press down in the back to reseat. Repeat this for the remaining stabilizers. Return your switches to their original positions, noting which way the pins need to face to fit into the hot swap sockets, making sure to only put pressure directly from above until you hear them snap into place. This is a good opportunity to plug your keyboard back in and test for any malfunctioning switches. I suggest using a key tester, as the LEDs lighting up is not the only indication of a good switch. If any aren't working as expected, pull them out and check for bent pins, which can easily be corrected with a little bit of force from your fingers. It is now time to cap up and see your board in its full glory. Plug it back in and enjoy your newly upgraded drop control. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Mason. I run a channel called Existentially Yours, and if you found this video informative or helpful, please do leave a like, and I will answer as many questions as possible in the comments below. Thanks.